So tell me if you're really there. Don't make me fall in love again if he won't be here next year.
Hello guys, welcome back to All Natural Candice. You know what time is it? It's all makeover.
Alright. Mirror. No, say a mirror that is in me. Yeah. Yeah, that a brush. Yellow brush. And a skinny comb. Oh, this one I know all that. No. This a Youcut gel. My mother have that. Sister have that. Yeah, but I don't know all that. I want the shampoo. Yeah, shampoo. I use them on a bright. Yeah, she a smile there. And toothbrush. Yeah. Yeah, I may have that soul comb and elastic. There. If you don't know nothing about here, I'm doing it.
Alright then now. So pull out here. I said it today. I'm coming from my head, you know. Look bad. I just have come out so. It's nice, see. Well, you're a girl, man. Hair is growing. Hey. Sure. So I want to make something there when I walk. A Christmas decoration. But the December, you don't forget. December we near now. Watch your comb just to go through, sir. Yeah. You can hear a grow man. Grow backside. She need to go do my ear to make it can do the comb out something there. Watch it. Try it now. Yes, I could try now. She will just lift it so. And just go out the road mad. But what it
I book my bus book. Park me here and thing on that. Alright, you know, don't know. Yeah, well, my style is already and thing, you don't know. Yeah, my style is. So, those who don't know, this is Candice. You know, if you're new, subscribe to the channel, like, share, and comment. Get it out there, you know. So, we're out here now. I don't know what I call the name of that. We get a comb, you know, preferably, the tail comb, man. Yeah, the tail comb on party here and thing, you know. You know, so that girl are perfectionist too. Yeah, man, you just part of here. When you just part of here and thing. Yeah, I have to make sure say part good, like how she part of good. Follow the steps, people. Can't go wrong with the steps. Yeah, after them part of here now. After that, hold on, there's a granny plot that go on. Alright, you part of here now. I think, I don't know. Is it messy? Part over the side and brush over the side. Yeah, you don't know. You make sure you wear moisturize now. Is the message? See that? The moisture up there. Is the message? So make sure you wear moisturize, brush it side to side. And you're good.
Yeah man, this is a paid advertisement. You don't know, say yo, I have done this. So you follow me on IG, JAVII._DXN. Yeah man, paid advertisement. Anyways, get into the video. Candice and her dry head. What a shot here, that's Christ. Imagine having to use gel. That's so ghetto. Anyways, yeah, so man, put in the gel now here and anything that, well, not mine, because I'm here long and natural and pretty, isn't it? And if you use gel. Anyways, yeah. More gel on the next side now. Yeah. Rub in the gel. So I'm gonna continue to put gel now here, okay? Okay. I'm gonna put more gel now here. I'm gonna put more gel now here. That's crazy, I do that one. I'm gonna put more gel now here. Alright, we are going somewhere now. Yeah, man, we are comb now. You see me? We are comb. Yeah, we are comb. Yeah. Yeah, we are comb. Yeah, we are comb, brother. Yeah, we are comb, brother. Yeah. Yeah, man, we are comb now with gel up here and anything there. Yeah. So we never take off that before. Boy. She could have taken off that and anyways, alright, we are coming out to here now with the gel and that thing. Yeah. I don't know what I style name, or the slick back. I don't know. Comb. Alright, video done. Jaja.
Alright. You get a brush. Okay. You brush back. You may stop it, don't put it at the brush, but if you brush back, you know, is this. If it is dry, don't wash it, moisturize it, do something, I'll come back, cause yeah, I'll come back on much but the video is a mess. After that, no, you brush back a ear, yeah, man, you hold it back, it's a mess, you make sure you say it back in a hold it, it's a mess, for it for days. And after that, you gotta make sure no, you lose skin, poke out and like that. Yeah, the elastic, yeah, 2. If you have more than 2, yeah, make sure you double it up. Just put it on full body, yeah, it's it's simple as that. You know, no rocket science. So, you're new to the channel, I'm gonna tell you again, like, subscribe, and share and comment, and get the channel out there and support the channel. Yeah, after that, no, make sure say you do good and things, no edits. What that? I don't know what that boy I get that. That proof back there, I don't know what that. Take a look a bit. Yeah. But yeah, see money, I just put me here. I don't know what that. What that. Subscribe to the channel for more of your videos. Videos.
Yes, guys, but we're continuing, you know, doing the makeup as usual. I mean, edges as usual, but I'm just gonna spray up my, this lotion? I'm not a beast still, so I'm just gonna use that. How good that? Yeah, yeah, I'm just gonna brush my teeth, guys, you know. No, you get trick, I'm edgy, me I gotta do. You get trick. Yes, guys, you know, just laying my hair flat, you know, doing my hair the same way, you know. Yes, wipe, zoop. Yes, guys, but anyways, guys, I just want to ask you a question. You think my head is big or my forehead is big? Because, you know, it's shiny, it's just shining. But, you know, how you guys feel about the Vlogmas and all that? You know, we're just shooting our videos, and thanks for the support. And guys, please continue to watch the ads. You know, I really do appreciate it. Yo, stop. Let me say, yes, guys, thank you for the support. Hey, yo, come out on video now. So, you know, see me, I try compensate. Compensate. Wipe, yeah. What that? Wipe. It is same way, yeah. The same flat, guys. Yeah, toothbrush. I'm just gonna wash this out, you know, okay? I go use brush my teeth, but shh, don't tell nobody. Yes, I'm there, I'm going to do my things same way, I wipe same way, you know? No really do, I do the still, but I wipe same way, guys. Wipe. Yeah. Yes, guys, but anyways, oh, you like my background, you know? It's green, it's red, and it's silver, and I have a little purple to add. you know, a little splash, you know. But guys, goodbye, bye.
Yeah, guys, so she had the edges there now, you see it. I'm not sure you know nothing about here, so you have to see with me, cause I don't know what she had do. So she had put in her head around there so with the brush. So she had do a little thing, you know. Now what that dog? Yeah. Easy with the edges, the forehead. For the edges, turn up the forehead. Easy, no man. Bomba, kufarid. Jaja God. Now I see edges in my forehead alone, me I see. God go with you. Because my edges them. Yes guys, so this is a nice video. So here me telling for like, subscribe, screen record, send to your mother, your auntie, your grandmother, you don't know, and watch the ads. Never lie.
So guys, this is the end of the video. Remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. For more, comment down below who did the best voiceover. Remember to watch the ads. Vlogmas day 4 completed, and that's it. Just enjoy me looking cute.